So we've been discussing polynomials and their factors quite a bit over the last several classes or videos. And now we're to the point where we can use the tools that we've learned to start with a polynomial that's in multiplied out form and factor it. Before we get to that, you're going to run into a couple questions like this. Can you find a polynomial that has zeros, -2, +3, and -8? Well, if it has zeros of -2, 3, and -8, then it's got factors of, you're going to run into one or two in my math lab that have complex numbers here with i's in them. Just skip those. If it's got 0 of -2, then it's got a factor of x plus 2, right? Because -2 is the value that would make that equal to 0. It's also got a factor of x minus 3, and it's got a factor of x plus 8. Okay, so there's your polynomial, and we can FOIL this out, and that'll give us x squared minus 3x plus 2x, which is minus x, and then minus 6. It says the first two multiplied together. And now we can FOIL again, not really FOIL, because FOIL is just a binomial times a binomial, but we can distribute. X squared times x is x cubed plus 8x squared. And then negative x times x is negative x squared minus 8x. Then negative 6 times x, and negative 6 times positive 8 is negative 48. Okay, so if we combine like terms there, we'll get x cubed plus 7x minus 14x minus 48. And there's your polynomial that has those zeros. I think in my math lab, they give you like a multiple choice thing. They give you that polynomial and say, what's this number going to be? So it's not multiple choice. They just ask you, what is this number going to be? So all you have to actually type in is the -14, but you have to multiply everything out to get there. So let's do one more of those real quick. We want zeros of -3, 4, and -5. So that's going to be x plus 3, x minus 4, and x plus 5. When we FOIL this here, we'll get x squared minus x minus 12 times x plus 5. And x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 5 is 5x squared minus x squared minus 5x minus 12x minus 60. So we got our x squared plus x cubed plus 4x squared minus 17x minus 60. Right, so a little bit tedious, a little bit of work there, but nothing more than multiplying some polynomials together. And like I said, you won't have to type all this nonsense in. It'll probably just be either this number here or this number. See you next time.